Do you think Power BI visuals are capable to have different text color? Do you think Power BI can handle multiple measures with different colors, headers, and marks? Do you think it can handle text headers with color bullet points? Also headers with table inside. Let's change the project to see the effect. Let's select the text inside the visual. This is the data for the visual. All these visuals are based on visual called HTML content, which accepts measures that contain mix between DAX and HTML. In the next video, we shall explain simple sample of measures for HTML content during explaining the last video in the series of easiest way to create Power BI report from Primavera. Perfect. I hope this video gives you a different way of thinking for Power BI dashboards. Enjoy automation.